Good morning, students. Today we are going to continue the grammar exercise we were discussing yesterday. Today we will move ahead. Chapter number 6, comparison of adjectives exercise we were discussing. Yesterday we discussed question number ABC. Today we are going to discuss question number D. Change the degree of comparison without changing the meaning. We know that one sentence can be written in three ways: positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. All the three sentences will have the same meaning, no change in meaning. Different forms, three different sentences, but meaning same. Any one of the three you can say. First number, mango is more popular than any other fruit. Answer. This is comparative. We can write two more sentences, positive and superlative. Structure you remember very well. Answer I am going to speak so slowly. You can check your answer. This is comparative, positive and superlative left. Positive will be positive. No other fruit is as popular as mango. Comparative will be mango is more popular than comparative is question. Superlative will be mango is the most popular fruit. Second number, this is the best TV show. This is superlative, positive, comparative. We have to make. Positive will be no other TV show is as good as this one. No other TV show is as good as this. Comparative, this is better than any other TV show. This is better than any other TV show. Third number, no other girl is so hardworking as Shubhangi. This is positive. We have to make comparative, superlative. Comparative, Shubhangi is more hardworking than any other girl. Superlative, Shubhangi is the most hardworking girl. Shubhangi is the most hardworking girl. Fourth number, your watch is more expensive than mine. Here this is comparative. Superlative will not be made. Why? Because only two. Your watch, my watch. So superlative will not be made. Its positive will be your watch is more expensive than mine. My watch is not as expensive as yours. My watch is not as expensive as yours. 5 number, rose is lovelier than any other fruit. Rose is lovelier than any other flower. This is comparative. Positive, superlative we have to make. Positive, no other flower is as lovely as rose. Superlative, rose is the loveliest flower. Rose is the loveliest flower. 6 number, no other metal is as precious as gold. No other metal is as precious as gold. Comparative will be gold is more precious than any other metal. Superlative will be gold is the most precious metal. 7 number, Venus is hotter than any other planet. Positive will be no other planet is as hot as Venus. Superlative will be Venus is the hottest planet. 8 number, she cannot run as fast as you. This is positive degree. Comparative degree we have to make. Superlative cannot make because only two. See you, only two. positive will be she cannot run as fast as you. You can run faster than she. You can run faster than she. Now, Priyanka works the hardest in the class. This superlative, positive, comparative we have to make. Positive. No other girl works. No other. Priya works the hardest in the class. No other girl works as hard as Priya. No other girl works as hard as Priya. Comparative will be Priya works harder than any other girl in the class. Priya works harder than any other girl in the class. 10 number. This route is shorter than any other route. This is comparative. We have to make positive superlative. Positive. No other route is. No other route is as short as this one. No other route is as short as this one. Don't repeat the word route. Write one. No other route is as short as this one. Superlative. This is the shortest route. This is the shortest route. 11. The Ganges is the holiest of all rivers. This is superlative. We have to move by positive, comparative. Positive. No other river is as holy as the Ganges. No other river is as holy as the Ganges. Superlative. Oh, comparative. The Ganges is holier than any other river. The Ganges is holier than any other river. 12. His bark is worse than his bite. Only two things, bark, bite. So, superlative not be made. His bark means beating. Bark means angry words. Bite means beating. His bark is worse than his bite. It will be. His bite is not. His bite is not as bad. His bite is not as bad as his bark. In number, correct the following sentences. We have to make sentences correct. These are wrong. First number, I reached after the Rita. I reached later the Rita. Answer will be answer. I reached later. Later later. I reached later than Rita. Second number, little knowledge is a dangerous thing. Answer, a little. A little knowledge is a dangerous thing. Third number, Kalidas is the greater of all the other Indian dramatists. Answer, Kalidas is the greatest. Kalidas is the greatest of all. Kalidas is the greatest of all the Indian dramatists. Kalidas is the greatest of all the Indian dramatists. 4 number. Of the two boys, he is the cleverest. Answer. Of the two boys, he is the cleverer. Two means comparative. Of the two boys, he is the cleverer. Comparative. 5. Jaipur is further from Delhi than Ghaziabad. This indicates distance. For distance, not further. Farther. Answer. Jaipur is farther. Jaipur is farther from Delhi than Ghaziabad. 6 number. This poem is easier from that. Answer. This poem is easier than, in comparative than used. Easier than that. 7. They are more better placed than before. Answer. They are, better is comparative, then more not. They are better placed than before. They are better placed than before. 8 number. Rajasthan is hot than Delhi in summer. Answer. Rajasthan is hotter than. Comparative. In than comparative comes. Rajasthan is hotter than Delhi in summer. 9 number, the latest story of this book is very good. The last story of this book is very good. 10 number, this cloth is superior than that. After some words such as senior, junior, superior, inferior. Senior, junior, superior, inferior, then not used, to used, to. Answer, this cloth is superior to that. 11, a tiger is more clever than a leopard. A tiger is comparative than comparative, cleverer. A tiger is cleverer than a leopard. But this sentence is also correct because clever has comparative degree. Cleverer, a superlative, cleverest. Clever comparative is cleverer, also more clever is also. Clever comparative has both cleverer and more clever, both. And superlative also cleverest and most clever, both. So this sentence is right. We can also write a tiger is cleverer than leopard. 12, Cleopatra was the most prettiest queen of her age. Answer, prettiest is superlative, most not required. Cleopatra was the prettiest queen of her age. 13, this book is as more useful as that. Answer, this book is as useful. As between comes positive degree. This book is as useful as that. 14, the condition of the patient is good now. From past time, now present time, it will be better. The condition of the patient is better now. 14, better. 15, it was the most happy day of my life. Answer, it was the happiest day, not most happy. Happiest, happy, happier, happiest. It was the happiest day of my life. Clear? F number, complete each sentence with the help of the words in brackets. The first one is done for you. Anwar is hardworking, bracket, than brother. For Anwar, he is more hardworking than his brother. Clear? Second number, the kittens are playful than mother. Answer, the kittens are more playful than their mother. The kittens are more playful than their mother. Third number, my dog is friendly, friendliest dog neighborhood. Answer, my dog is the friendliest dog. My dog is the friendliest dog in the neighborhood. 4 number, elephants are big animals, biggest world. Answer, elephants are the biggest animals. Elephants are the biggest animals in the world. 5 number, rabbits are big than farm rats. Rabbits are bigger than farm rats. 6 number, mosquitoes and flies are harmful insects. Answer, than ants. Mosquitoes and flies are more harmful than ants. Mosquitoes and flies are more harmful than ants. 7, there are many noisy birds in the aviary. Noisiest. There are many noisy birds in the aviary. Answer, there are the noisiest birds in the aviary. 8, the crocodile is a large and unfriendly reptile. Largest, most world. Answer, the crocodile is the largest and most unfriendly reptile in the world. The crocodile is the largest and most unfriendly reptile in the world. So students, end the chapter. That's all. Thank you.